What is a rectifier? Subscribe to EEE-AF for more electrical topics. A rectifier is an electronic device that converts alternating current, AC, into direct current, DC. The main function of a rectifier is to convert the AC power supply into a form that can be used by electronic devices that require DC voltage. A rectifier typically consists of one or more diodes, which are electronic components that conduct current in one direction and block current in the opposite direction. When AC power is applied to the rectifier, the diodes allow current to flow in only one direction, resulting in a pulsating DC waveform. This pulsating waveform can be further filtered using capacitors or inductors to produce a smoother DC voltage. Rectifiers are used in a variety of electronic devices, including power supplies, battery chargers, and motor drives. They are also used in many industrial applications, such as welding, electroplating, and electrolysis. There are several types of rectifiers, including 1. Half-wave rectifier. A half-wave rectifier uses a single diode to rectify the AC power supply. The output of a half-wave rectifier is a pulsating DC waveform with half the amplitude of the input AC voltage. 2. Full-wave rectifier. A full-wave rectifier uses 4 diodes to rectify the AC power supply. The output of a full-wave rectifier is a pulsating DC waveform with the same amplitude as the input AC voltage. 3. Bridge rectifier. A bridge rectifier uses 4 diodes arranged in a bridge configuration to rectify the AC power supply. The output of a bridge rectifier is a pulsating DC waveform with the same amplitude as the input AC voltage. 4. Three-phase rectifier. A three-phase rectifier is used to rectify three-phase AC power. It typically consists of 6 diodes arranged in a bridge configuration. Overall, rectifiers are essential components in many electronic and industrial applications where DC power is required. They play a critical role in converting AC power into a form that can be used by electronic devices and industrial equipment. The output of a rectifier is a pulsating DC voltage, which contains a significant amount of AC ripple. This ripple can be reduced using capacitors or inductors to filter the output and produce a smoother DC voltage. The amount of ripple in the output voltage depends on the type of rectifier, the load impedance, and the filtering circuit. In addition to diodes, rectifiers may also include other electronic components, such as thyristors or transistors, to provide more precise control over the output voltage and current. These components are used in voltage regulators, which are used to maintain a constant output voltage even as the input voltage or load changes. Rectifiers may also be classified based on their operating frequency. Low-frequency rectifiers typically operate at frequencies below 100 Hz and are used in applications such as battery chargers or welding power supplies. High-frequency rectifiers operate at frequencies above 100 kHz and are used in applications such as switch-mode power supplies or motor drives. Another important consideration in rectifier design is efficiency. As the rectifier converts AC power into DC power, it generates heat due to the power dissipated by the diodes or other electronic components. The efficiency of a rectifier is the ratio of the output power to the input power and is typically around 70 to 90% for most rectifiers.